commented one. Okay, it is showing right, everyone. This is a multi-line comment. What you are doing using the tool here, or else you can use the manually thing, that is the */ okay. I think we have one key also. Just a second, I will see. Okay. Control KC. Yeah, Control KC means that will be the multi-line comment. Control KU means that is the uncommented. Okay. Is it clear, right, everyone? Control plus K plus U. Okay. That is the multi-line comment. Okay.
Bye.
Control plus K plus C. This is the uncomment. Okay. So you understand how to create the procedure? So I'm going to share this in the code share. Okay. This is Parisha, please access this link. Okay. We have completed 2 topics before class. Madhushri, add this in the documentation. Okay, along with the queries.
No. Okay, just.
Yeah, guys, please share your mail IDs. I'll send you the test thing. Test I will send you all until stored procedures. Please share your mail IDs.